Yeah.
Cassie joining us now, and wow, it's beautiful out there. And yesterday you could just feel when that cold front came through.
Oh yeah, you definitely could. Now, unfortunately, we really didn't get to see that rain here in Oklahoma City. We certainly needed it.
We sure do.
But we can feel that cold front today.
Yeah, I'll enjoy it though.
Oh yeah, it is really nice out there. We've got a nice fall, pleasant day. It is just so nice, and we've got clear skies across the state. Some of us did get some rain. There's the cold front now. You can see those showers and storms across the Tennessee and Mississippi Valley. That is moving on out of here. In the meantime, we are still watching exactly what happened yesterday. Again, we picked up some rain, but mainly to our south and east. In fact, we picked up almost 2 inches of rainfall around Fitztown, a little kind of around an inch around Ada, and a little over half of an inch around McAllister. So there's where that rain fell. Oklahoma City, we did not get anything, but today we're at least feeling the effects of that cold front. This morning we started out at 54 degrees at the airport, starting out at 41 in Guyman, and the upper 50s to the south and east. Now, if this is a little chilly for you, you're going to want the coat over the next couple of mornings. Tomorrow morning I'm forecasting an overnight low of 44 degrees. Saturday morning it starts to warm up at least a little bit, and the last time we had a temperature of 44 degrees or cooler was actually May 3rd. We did hit 45 degrees earlier this month, but 44 or cooler, it's been quite a while. This is our gorgeous view from our OCCC camera from our Air Comfort Skycam network. It is mild outside. It's not too warm. It's not too cool. It's 65 degrees, but you can see the camera shaking a little bit. It's certainly breezy. That wind being out of the north right now, sustained at 19 miles an hour. We're at 66 degrees in Tulsa, 65 in McAllister, 63 in Woodward, the upper 50s though out in the Panhandle. Now, compared to this time yesterday, we were actually 12 degrees cooler, but look at this, 20 degrees cooler compared to this time yesterday in Salisal, and 16 degrees cooler in McAllister. Not as big of a difference out in the north and west. Everyone's seeing that north wind between about 15 to 25 miles an hour. It's going to continue to be breezy during the day, and then that wind will subside overnight tonight, and that's going to allow for radiational cooling, which means we're going to lose all that warmth. It's going to go right back up into the atmosphere, and it is going to cool down quite a bit tomorrow morning. So that cold front continues to move off to the east. In the meantime, we've had high pressure out to the west, so we have very clear skies across the entire state. Now, what is going to happen over the next couple of days? Where I'm going to show you on our Futurecast. I'm going to start the clock later this afternoon. So obviously we've got that jet stream dipping down to the south, that north wind. It's going to keep us cool for the next couple of days. High pressure, the ridge builds in as we get into the weekend. That is going to bring plenty of sunshine. That sunshine is just not going to go anywhere. Eventually that ridge moves off to the east, and we start to see our next trough move in on the west coast. By the time we get to about midweek of next week, eventually that's going to move off to the east, and that's going to bring us our next chance of thunderstorms. But it's not going to happen until next Friday. So it's going to be a while before we do see our next chance for rain, unfortunately. So if you didn't get the rain last night, it's going to be a while before you get your next chance. So for today, lots of sun, overall a very pleasant fall day. A little breezy at times though. We're looking for a high of 69 in Oklahoma City, 70 in Ardmore, and 69 this afternoon in Tulsa. Everyone's going to see that north wind. Still a north wind later tonight, but it's going to subside quite a bit, so it's going to be a lot lighter. Temperatures are going to be chilly by tomorrow morning. We're dropping down to 44 degrees here in the metro, 44 in Ponca City, the upper 30s in Miami, and 48 degrees down in Durant. Tomorrow, I think temperatures may actually drop another degree, so we're looking for a high of 68 here in the metro, 66 in Ponca City, 68 in Durant again, and then 71 tomorrow afternoon in Woodward. Once we get into Saturday and Sunday, temperatures begin to warm up. That south wind picks up a little bit more. We're looking for highs in the mid 70s on Saturday, the upper 70s on Sunday. But notice just how quiet the weather pattern is. It is going to be quiet for quite a while. Our next chance of storms will not arrive until the end of our 9 days. So it's going to be another 9 days before we do at least get a chance of storms. That's quite a long time.
And we need that rain so badly.
We do.
All right. They can't get here quick enough.
No.